Alright, today we're going to be solving for an angle between two vectors, and to do that we have to use there's my pink pencil, brought to you in part by Mrs. P. Happy birthday to me. There's Miss P. So, the formula states to solve for the angle we need to find u times v, and then we need to find the magnitude of u and v. I don't know why I drew a double v, or as you people call it, a double u. So basically the problem we're going to solve here, what we're given is this stuff in the box. U equals negative I minus j, and v equals negative 2i minus j. So u times v is basically just when you multiply the x's and the y's together. So you're going to get 2 and 1, so you'll just put 2i plus j. The reason I got that was because I multiplied, there's my finger, negative 1 times negative 2 to get 2, and then negative 1 times negative 1 to get 1. So your total answer, when you add these two together, the 2 and the 1, you'll get u times v equals 3. Now, we have to solve for the magnitude. So, the magnitude of u is radical negative 1 squared plus negative 1 squared. We got that because the two numbers in u are negative 1 and negative 1. And then in v, and then you'll get a radical 2 for your final answer. And you want to leave it in radical form because it's easier to throw into the old calculator. So, for v, we had negative 2 and negative 1. You already know we got it from right there, negative 2 and negative 1. So when you throw that into your old calculadora, a little bit of Spanish, you'll get a radical 5. So now we're down to the equation. We're going to throw some stuff in there. So we're going to pull u times v, and we're going to put it at the top, and we're going to put the 3 there. And then we're going to put the 5 times 2, which is essentially just 10. If you're a mathematician, you would know that. So you're going to throw this equation right here, the theta equals cosine negative 1, into your calculator. And to do that, if you don't know, you press second. If my camera would focus. There we go. Second, cosine, and then you'll get cosine negative 1. And then you'll get some parenthesis. Cosine negative 1. It'll look like that. And then you'll just put, I can't even see a darn thing. You'll put 3 divided by second x squared. You see the little radical? 5 times 2. But if you're a mathematician, it's 10. And then you just press equals. Not minus. Delete. You just press equals. And you'll get your answer of 18.43. Right there. 18.43 degrees. That is the amount that you need to do whatever we're doing here. I don't even know. Senior year.